So about the project Nasira 69, it's a very particular project for us because we have an amazing owner asking us to do a very fast boat for cruising, made for cruising, and this is kind of rare because people like to say they want to have fast boat, but this needs to understand the commitment you have to do and sometimes a concession about decision you have to make because the fast boat must be light. So when we have been commissioned to do the boat with my partner Guillaume Verdier, who is the co-architect of the boat, what we wanted to do is to bring what we have learned from the offshore scene, ocean racing offshore scene, you know, on the Vendée Globe type of boat, and bring it into the cruising world. So this is why this boat is so wide. It's very last cutting edge kind of a shape, and what I really like about this is allowing us to think a bit differently the interiors as well, because we have less depth in the hull, wider hull shape, so we can think a bit differently to the distribution of the interior, and about the fact that we can have a better vision of the outside as well from the interior compared to a very deep hull. So all this make this boat a bit particular compared to what we are used to see. But I think the trend is boats will become more and more like this, but it's true that the Nasira 69 is very extreme because the owner wanted the boat to be as extreme as this. It has been interesting for us to work with Wismara team because we've never worked with them. Once, as I said, it's a very challenging project because composites and structure will be solicited a lot. So it must be really well understood and made. And I have to say that what I liked a lot working with Wismara was that the studying office is really professional and go really deeply into every subject, and they are carrying a lot all the technical and engineering subjects for us, because as architect we deliver drawings and concepts, but after this need to be engineered. And I was very impressed by the level of the studying office of the shipyard, which is let's say, it's a need. Every shipyard should have a studying office, but I was very amazed by the level of the studying office of Wismara. So it has been a big pleasure because they were really the people with who we were talking with. And of course, after the construction was made in 2 different sites, so we've tried to follow as much as we could, and I mean, we are waiting now to see the boat in the water to see how it will go, but looking good. There is some funny paradox in the project because on one side there is very highly technical points such as a keel to bring more performance. We have a canting keel, and the owner wanted to have a very deep keel, but at the same time be able to go in shallow water, so we had to work on a keel that could come up and cant when it's down to bring more righting moment, so more power. And at the same time, in this boat, you know, it's about lifestyle. The owner have kids, they like to go out with their friends, on their boat with their wives. So you have like highly technical and complex systems to handle and engineer properly, because this is made for cruising, you don't have engineers on board. And at the same time, you know, we work with some fabrics made in France for the cushion and all the attention of detail for the wood, for everything as being really important as well. So the work made to make all this live together was really important, and we do think with Guillaume and Hervé, who is working with us, that a boat is one object, which means that there is not an interior and exterior. All this should work together, you know, interior and exterior. So we have done all this together. I mean, there is not one interior designer and one naval architect. We've done this boat together, working on the naval architecture concepts that is embracing totally perfectly the lifestyle the owner wanted on board. And for this project has been as well a very good occasion to work together with Guillaume Verdier. I mean, Guillaume is a friend of mine since I've started to be naval architect back in 2004, and we've been really seeing each other a lot, and you know, Guillaume was giving me advice and exchanging about our racing boats, because I've been designing some racing boats as well. And the Nasira 69 is, let's say, our first real collaboration, and now we are thinking about doing other boats together, because this has been a big pleasure to work together. Guillaume is a highly skilled and highly renowned people in the racing world, and I'm more tending to go into the design scene, you know, doing boats but not only. So our association is an amazing collaboration, and it's true that we are working with friends. We are friends, and it's really a low-key association. We don't try to communicate around this, but we try to make amazing project, and this boat will be the first one, and I'm really looking forward to see how it will go, but it has been a great pleasure. And even if Guillaume is doing the America's Cup now in New Zealand, we are starting all the projects together. So this one was the first one, and hopefully not the last.